This is the first part to renovate my DIO, Honda DIO racing radiator that I'm having problems overheating. It's either, it could be the Bosch water pump, it could be a clog somewhere in the radiator, or it could be dirty, or it could be a lot of things. So what I did was I went on the internet and they said take white vinegar right here and dilute it down and flush the system, but only do it if it's cold. So what I did was I filled the radiator up with the white vinegar. Then I'm going to use some simple green. This is for the outside. The white vinegar is for the inside of the coils. These would be for the simple green for the outside. I'm going to fill up this laundry sink just enough to where the simple green solution will cover the tops here but not get inside. And then after I get that done, I'm going to take this little bottle brush and very, very lightly see if I can go on both sides and if I can clean it better. Maybe take some heat off it, or take some dust off it that causes better efficiency. I'm just going to go through the whole cooling system and water cool heads, everything. This right here is a neat little item on this radiator. When you unscrew this, you can put in a little water temperature deal. Now, I already have a cylinder temperature on my racing head, but the water temperature, I don't have that. So I may do that. It's good to see what your water is running as far as heat when you've got the wide open throttle, and then see how fast it cools down, see what the medium baseline is for the water. It's good to do that if you can. So I'm going to have to turn this off because the radiator is full of white vinegar, and I have to place it into the sink with the simple green right up to just the top of the coils here. And then we'll get on to, and then we'll keep going until I rebuilt the DIO. I didn't race it last year because of the cooling problem, and I've been really depressed because I've been running it every year for maybe 30 years now. No, probably 25 with the mods. Okay, we'll continue.